Stop saying, "How are you?" Yes, it's correct. But if you want to sound more fluent and confident like a native speakers, then you stop it and use your and upgrade your greetings to someone in English. Then use this English speaking greetings to sound more confident and fluent in your English. So let's start this video without any further delay. Hello everyone, welcome to English with Bedia. I hope you people doing well, fit and fine and great, and also I am doing well, fit and fine. So today's in this video I will share with you a very important thing about to upgrade your fluency, to upgrade your confidence, that if you want to speak to someone more greeting words like how are you when you say. So this is maybe very boring to everyone's because everyone use it. And why this is very bore in today's, because everyone learn it in school. So you try to upgrade your English speaking. So use this simple English speaking greetings to speak to someone in English. Okay, so let's practice these alternatives in English to sound more confident and fluent. So let's start this video without any further delay. So first, if you want to anyone someone, if you want to greeting, so use this every day. Okay, so first one is how is doing, how's it's doing. Okay, so this is also you can speak how's it doing. And then the how have been you, how have been you. Then the third one is what's up, what's up. Repeat after me if you want to also practice and write on the any of your copy. Then the fourth one is how is everything, how is everything. Then how is everything going on. Then the what's new, what's new, and what's new today. So like this you can practice, like this you can greeting to someone, then you can be sound more confident and fluent in everyone's journey. So this maybe feel you confident and fluent, and also this makes you very feel confident. So really I also use it. If you like this video, like, subscribe and share, and don't forget to click the bell icon and all. And please write on the comment box that which one is your best and which feel you good, which like you good. So use it every day. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, like, subscribe and share. Bye bye.